Okay, I will finish it, then I can have a rest. After you have packed up your packages, you can see you can lock it and then change it to the other passwords, then others won't open it. Then you can write on it. You can write on it. Sorry, I forgot to turn it on. You can write on it because from the gate to the kind of customers, it is really a long distance. Also, you can ride on this kind of suitcase to the supermarket or to the kind of exhibition, to the show, because the kind of exhibition hall, it is really large and you want to go around the whole, you want to see, go through the whole things,
有买家进
the
入直播
amazing
间了。
things. So you need to walk for a long time. But with this kind of ride-on luggage scooters, you can take it like a mobility seat. You don't need to walk. Hello guys, welcome to our live show, and this is Amy today. My colleague Teresa, Tina, and me products to you guys. And behind me, you can see some videos about our products. Also, you can see different series of our products, like our smart ride-on luggage scooters. Also, our electric bike, smart helmet, and so on. Also, I will introduce you some self-balancing electric scooters. Anyway, during the online show, you guys can see many different series of our products. So if you guys during the online show, if you have any questions about our products, you can leave comments. Yeah, the friend from Alibaba.com, you can leave comments, send the comments in the chat box, and I will give you reply when I see your comments. Yeah, and next I will give you reply as soon as possible because my assistant are helping me. And recently, we are sincerely recruiting distributors all over the world. If you are interested in this idea, you can contact. We are now recruiting distributors. So if you guys want to know more details about how to become our distributors in your country, you can contact us and we will send you the procedures. Next, I will start. 这个光能不能关掉？我好白呀。Okay. Then I will start introduce this product, this ride-on luggage scooters. You guys can see this one, this product. Actually, it is a 20-inch one, but you guys can see now it is a kind of riding mode. Yeah, it is a kind of riding mode. It is a kind of riding mode, and I will stretch it to the normal size, a 20-inch size. And I will press one. I only need to press one button, and it will fold to a 20-inch mode. Yeah, you guys can see here is a kind of ride-on luggage scooters, and here in the back of this suitcase we have designed a kind of removable power bank. And you can lift up the trolley here. Yeah, you can lift up the trolley here, and you guys can remove the power bank in this way. It is removable. Yeah, you can remove it. Yeah, it is removable, and it is quite convenient for you guys to put in the original space or take it out. Yeah, it is quite easy for you guys to remove. And for our power bank, the capacity of this power bank, it is about 74 Wh. Yeah, it is about 74 Wh, and it is a boarding allowed power bank. Yeah, it is boarding allowed. That means you can take it onto the plane directly. Yeah, you can take it onto the plane directly. And I will show you the details of this power bank. Yeah, 那个给我，就那个。Yeah. I will show you the information of this power bank. You guys can see here is the power bank. Here is the detailed information of our power bank. And the most important, 看不见。And the most, 哦，你有那个图片加上去。You guys can see in the picture the power bank, the capacity of the power bank, it is about 74 Wh. Yeah, it is about 74 Wh. And the max loading weight, if you want to take your power bank onto the plane directly, it should under 120 Wh. So our power bank, it is 74 Wh. You can take. Also, you can use it like a common power bank. You can use it to charge your electric charging for kind of, yeah, we have kind of reminder. You can see the capacity of this power bank. You can see the capacity, and we have a kind of red button in this part. By pressing it, you can see the capacity of this power bank, and it will remind you when you need to charge it. The charging time is 2 hours. You only need 2 hours to fully charge it, and then you can use this kind of power bank from 8 to 10 kilogram. Yeah, 8 to 10 kilogram. That is our power bank. Charging time 2 hours. The distance 8 to 10 kilogram. 8 to 10 kilogram. Now I want to use the riding mode, so I will put this removable power bank to the original space. You only need to slide it in. Yeah, it is removable. You only need to slide it in and then lift down the trolley in this part. If you want to use the riding mode, then turn on the suitcase. Here is a kind of turning on button. We have a kind of turning on button, and beside it we have a kind of click button. It is for you guys to fold this part. The button, it is for you guys to lift this part, and I will show you guys. It will be magic. You guys can see. Now I only need one click, and this kind of suitcase, it will fold it to a small size automatically. And I only need one click again, and it will return to the normal size. Yeah, that is automatically folding function. So why we call this kind of suitcase, it is a kind of folding suitcase. Yeah, it is foldable suitcase. I will return it to the normal size. We have a kind of normal mode. That is, if you don't want to use the riding mode, we have kind of trolley. Yeah, we have a kind of aluminum oil trolley in this part. And the height, it is adjustable. We have kind of 3 heights for you guys to adjust. And if you don't want to use the riding mode, you can drag it. Yeah, you can drag it like a common suitcase. That is our common mode. And for our suitcase, it has one advantage. That is, we have designed another mode. That is our riding mode. And when you want to use the riding mode, you only need one click. Yeah, one click in this part. And the front part, the footrest part, it will stretch to the kind of you can ride on it. Also about the handle, yeah, about the height of the handle. This part, the height, it is adjustable. You can adjust it to the highest according to your kid's height, according to the one that ride on this kind of suitcase. You can adjust the height. And when you want to ride on it, the front part, you guys can see the two front part. It is for you guys to put your feet. You can put your feet on this kind of footrest. You can sit it like a common seat. You can take it like a mobility seat. You can ride on it. And for this kind of smart ride-on suitcase, I will teach you how to ride on it. Yeah, how to ride on it. It is controlled by this kind of handle. Yeah, it is controlled by a handle in this part. Also, the power bank. And I have shown you the power bank. It is boarding allowed. You can take it onto the plane directly. And for the controlling of the handle, you guys can see we have kind of two buttons. We have left button, right button on the handle, and these two buttons can help you to change the directions. If you want to move forward, you want to turn around, you want to stop, these two buttons will help you. And it is quite easy for you guys to learn. The right one, it is a kind of speed button. Yes, speed button. And the left one, it is a brake button. If you want to stop, here is a brake button. And by using these two buttons together at the same time, and you will turn back, you will reverse. That is the controlling of the handle. Right button, speed up, left one, brake, turning, then together, it is reverse. And now I will sit on it, I will ride on it, and you guys can see this kind of suitcase won't be damaged. The max loading weight of this kind of suitcase, it is 120 kilogram. 120 kilogram. So if you guys have any problems about the kind of loading weight, actually the material, you guys can see the material in this part, the middle part, this kind of framework of the suitcase, it is 100% aluminum alloy. Yeah, 100% aluminum alloy. So the max loading weight is 120 kilogram. 120 kilogram. If you are under 120 kilogram, you can sit on it and you won't damage this kind of suitcase. The max loading weight, because it is 100% aluminum alloy. And once my colleague, he is over 120 kilogram, and he sit on it, and this kind of suitcase won't be damaged. So, if you are much heavier than the kind of distance you use, kind of suitcase, that would be shorter. Yeah, the difference is a kind of the distance you can use it. If you are much heavier, maybe the distance you will be shorter. Yeah. And about the two sides, the kind of capacity side, the material, it is made of high quality PC and ABS. Yeah, these two parts. The quality is high quality PC and ABS. So you guys can see it looks fashionable. Also, if you use your hand to touch it, it feels smooth. It is high quality PC and ABS, and the middle framework, it is 100% aluminum alloy. Yeah, that is the material. So it is 100% aluminum alloy. I can ride on it and I won't damage it. The max loading weight 120 kilogram. Now I will show you guys how to ride on it. You guys can see here is our riding mode. The right button, remember, right button, speed button. Left one, brake button, stop button. And by using them together, it is a kind of reverse button. Yeah, it is kind of controlling of this kind of handle. Right button, speed, left, stop, and by pushing them together, it is reverse. That is the controlling of this kind of suitcase. So if you guys want to know more details about this product, you can click the Get Catalog button, the orange button, Get Catalog. And my assistant, Teresa and Tina, they will send you the catalog, and you can see the more detailed information about our products. Yeah. Also, during the online show, if you have any questions about this product, if you think my voice much should be louder or anything, you can also send it in the comments, and I will check the comments and give you reply as soon as possible. And thanks for the friend from Korea. Thanks. If you want to know more details, you can send comments. Now about the controlling of this kind of suitcase, it is right button speed, left stop, and using them together, reverse. And the max loading weight, yeah, the max loading weight 120 kilogram. The max speed, yeah, the max speed when you ride on such kind of suitcase, the max speed is, yeah, for this kind of suitcase, this foldable one, it is 13 kilogram, yeah, 13 kilogram per hour, 13 kilogram per hour, the max speed, 13 kilogram per hour. And the speed it is adjustable. The speed it is adjustable. And for the controlling of the speed, it is also controlled by these two buttons. You can control the force. You can control the force pushing these two buttons. If you push them hard, yeah, if you push them hard, the speed will be faster. Yeah, the speed will be faster. And if you push them like slightly, the speed will be slower. So the speed, it is adjustable. You can adjust the speed according to your kind of requirement. If you want to kind of catch the bus or catch up the kind of train, then you need to ride on in a fast speed. You can, yeah, push them hard and the speed will be fast. But you need to take care of yourself. You need to be careful. And if you want to ride on this kind of suitcase at a show, yeah, you need to enjoy the scenery of the show. Then you need to ride on a kind of slow speed. So you can push this kind of button, yeah, slightly. The speed will be slowly. So you can adjust the speed according to your requirements. It is up to you. You can adjust the speed. Anyway, the max speed is 13 kilogram per hour. Yes, 13 kilogram per hour. And the max loading weight 120 kilogram. And about the net weight of this one, net weight is 9.5, yeah, 9.5 kilogram. And for this kind of suitcase, it is boarding allowed. You can take it onto the plane directly. Yeah. I have mentioned that it is a 20-inch carry-on luggage. It is a 20-inch carry-on one. Now I am using the riding mode, so the front part, they need to be stretched up. But if you don't want to use the riding mode, you want them to, when you meet the customers, you want to be checked, then you need to fold the kind of suitcase. Only one click. You guys can see, only one click. Beside the turning on button, we have a click button there, and you only need one button. The front part can be fold automatically, so it can be folded to a mini size, a 20-inch one. Also, the height, yeah, the height can be adjustable. You can adjust to be hidden on the suitcase. Then it is a kind of 20-inch one. When you ride on such kind of suitcase to the customers, you need to be checked. This kind of suitcase to be checked. Then you need to remove the power bank. Yeah, you need to remove the power bank. You can put it in your backpack. Yeah, you can put it in your backpack. And this kind of power bank needs to be checked separately. It needs to be checked separately because it is a kind of power bank. And then the other part, the 20-inch suitcase, they need to be checked by the customers. And after the customers have checked your suitcase, then you have arrived at the airport, at the parts. Then you can continue ride on this kind of suitcase. You can put the power bank to the original space. Click, the front part will be automatically stretched out. Then adjust the height. Yeah, adjust the height.
有买家进入直播间了。
You can continue ride on this kind of suitcase. At the airport, you can ride on it to go do some shopping. Yeah, you can ride on it to do some shopping. Also, you can ride on it to enjoy the scenery of the airport. You can go around and you don't need to walk. Of course, it has a kind of mobility seat. It has a kind of scooter suitcase. You can ride on it. And the max speed is 13 kilogram per hour. With kind of suitcase, you don't need to walk by yourself, and it will help you release tiredness. You don't need to walk for a long time because from the gate of the airport to the customers, it would be a really long time. And with this kind of suitcase, you don't need to work for a long time and get a good rest. For this kind of suitcase, we have designed a kind of capacity. So you guys can see in the inside, it has a capacity. You can put your, like when you go traveling, you can put what you need in this kind of suitcase. And this kind of suitcase, it is unlocked. It is locked by our TSA customer lock. You guys can see in that,
有买家进入直
it
播
is
间了。
our TSA customer lock. It is our TSA customer lock, and I can show you guys. It is our international TSA customer lock. And for this part, for this kind of TSA customer lock, you guys can see we can set the own passwords. You can set your own passwords in this part, and we only need kind of hello, welcome the friend from China. Thanks for the for requirements for the product catalog. My colleague Tina and Teresa will send you the product catalog. Yeah, send product catalog to the Chinese brand. Okay, thanks. And here is a kind of international TSA lock. And by pushing this button, this kind of
有
suitcase
买
will
家
be
进入直播间了。
unlocked, and you can set your own passwords. It has three numbers. You can set your passwords. Then the original password it is 30. Yes, 30, and you can set it to your own passwords, and you need to keep it in mind. Now you can open it. It is a kind of front open design. Yeah, the pocket, it is front open design. You can open the pocket with a zipper. Yeah, with the zipper. You guys can see it is front open design. And you can see the capacity inside. It is kind of, you can put some matters, you can put some clothes inside. You guys can see we have already put some clothes inside. You guys can see here is a kind of capacity. You can put your clothes. When you go traveling, you can put your computers or other electronic devices like your makeups, your washing clothes, or other things in this part. And we have designed another pocket. Yeah, we have designed another big pocket. You guys can see the shape. It has designed for the computer. Yeah, for the computer, for the iPad or other things. Anyway, the large kind of square part, you can put it in this part. You can put your computer in this part. And we have designed kind of sticker. Yeah, we have designed kind of sticker in this part. When you packed them up, you can close the stickers. And on the two sides of the pocket, we have designed kind of two lockers. We have designed kind of two lockers. You guys can see because the pocket it has front open design. If we didn't have these two pockets, the front part will open suddenly. Then the matters in this part will be damaged. Yeah. So we designed these two kind of lockers. It is for you to protect the matters in this pocket. It is a kind of careful, a considerate design. Also, for this kind of suitcase, the capacity is 21 liter. Yeah, 21 liter. You guys may wonder why kind of capacity it is so low. You guys can see. Here is a kind of capacity, and I have mentioned that this part, this kind of foldable part, it is you can fold it to a mini size, And this kind of aluminum part, it has take up some space. So the capacity would be would be lower. But we have a kind of another one. The capacity should be 26 liter. It would be larger, and I will introduce you guys later. 21 liter. And when you have packed up your suitcase, you can close it with the zipper with our international TSA lock. Yeah, I have made. In the middle part, we have designed kind of logo. Yeah. How much does it weigh? The net weight of this one is 9.5 kilogram. The net weight 9.5 kilogram. So you can see the information in the video. Yeah, 9.5 kilogram. And for this kind of suitcase, it is actually a 20-inch one. This front part can be foldable, and I only need one click. I can show you. Maybe just now you haven't seen it. The front part, it has kind of motor inside, and I only need one click, and it will fold to a mini size. Also, the height of this part, it is adjustable. We have designed kind of locker. Yeah, we have designed kind of silver locker in this part. I can adjust the height, then lock it. Still, now it is a kind of 20-inch boarding allowed suitcase. Yeah. And if you don't want to use the riding mode, we have kind of trolley. Yeah, we have kind of aluminum trolley in the backpack of this kind of suitcase, and it is adjustable. It has kind of 3 heights for you guys to adjust. 1, 2, yeah. Also the lowest one. So it has kind of 3 heights for you guys to adjust. I can drag it like a common suitcase if I don't want to ride on it. So that is the normal mode. And another mode, that is our ride-on mode, riding mode. And I only want one click. Yeah, one click. So this kind of suitcase, we can call it, it is a foldable suitcase. It is a folding suitcase. I can adjust the height. How much weight can it carry? The max loading weight of this suitcase, the max loading weight, actually it has 120 kilogram. 120 kilogram. The max loading weight, 120 kilogram. Because I can show you the framework. Yeah, you can see the framework. The middle part is the framework. The material, it is 100% aluminum alloy. Yeah, 100% aluminum alloy. So the max loading weight, 120 kilogram. 120 kilogram. If you are under 120 kilogram, you can ride on it and you won't damage it. Because the middle part, it is 100 aluminum alloy. It is quite stable and sturdy. Yeah. And we have passed the kind of 1 meter test. That means we put this kind of suitcase from 1 meter high, and this kind of suitcase won't be damaged. The max loading weight, 120 kilogram. So do you have any other questions, the friend from Australia? If so, you can type it in the comment, in the chat box. I can give you a reply as soon as possible. And for this kind of power bank, maybe you haven't seen our power bank. You can see a kind of detailed information on the right hand of the screen. On the left hand of the screen. About the power bank, the most important information. It is a kind of removable power bank. You can lift up the trolley and then you can remove the power bank. This kind of power bank is removable. You can take it out from this kind of suitcase. You can use it like a common power bank. And about the detailed information, you guys can see the left part on the screen. The most important information, you need to keep it in mind. It is the capacity. It is about 74 Wh. Yeah, 74 Wh. And the max loading weight, the max capacity. If you want to take this kind of power bank onto the plane directly, the capacity should under 120 Wh. So our power bank, it is about 74 WH, and we have got the kind of certifications. It is boarding allowed. You can take it onto the plane directly. When you checked in, the customers checked the kind of power bank, you can put it in your backpack, and then after they have checked this kind of suitcase, you can take it onto the plane directly. And it is a kind of power bank. So when you go out, you can charge your electronic devices. You guys can see. So when you go out, you can ride on this kind of suitcase. Also, you can charge your electronic devices. You only need a kind of USB charging port. Also, your electronic devices like your phone or other things. Yeah, we have different. We only need a kind of USB line. Yeah, we only need a USB cable. So when you ride on this kind of suitcase, you can charge your electronic devices at the same time. That is, hello, thanks for your following. Thanks the friend from Australia. Thanks for your following. Very nice. Thanks for your time watching our online show. If you guys have any other questions, yeah, I have answered it when you eating. Yeah. I have give you reply. The max loading weight 120 kilogram, and the weight of this suitcase 9.5 kilogram. Hello, welcome the friend from CH, my client. Product catalog. Okay, my colleague Teresa, she will send you, and you can check the product catalog. You can get a brief introduction to our company. We are now in China, and we have kind of branch and stock in Belgium. Yeah, we have branch in Belgium, and we will ship the hot sale product to Belgium every month according to the kind of sales. If the people want the hot sale products, we will ship the goods to Belgium. So if you guys want to get kind of ride-on luggage scooters, it is in stock in Belgium, and we can directly ship the goods to you guys from there. And if you guys like our online show, like our products, you can give us some following, some likes, also some comments. Yeah. And now I will put this kind of power bank to the suitcase. For our power bank, you guys can see we have passed the UN 38.3. You can see the screen. We have passed the UN 38.3. It is a kind of safety test. Yeah, it is a kind of safety test. If you want to take kind of power bank onto the plane directly, you need to pass this kind of certifications, and I can show you guys. It is a kind of safety test. Yeah, I can show you. We have got so many certifications. You guys can see we have got some CE certification, MSDS, ROSE, also UN 38.3, a safety test report. So we have got so many certifications, and on my hand, it is only one part. So you don't need to worry about the certifications, and you don't need to worry about the patent, because we have got the patent of the ride-on luggage scooters. We have got the patent, and we have got the certifications for each Airwheel product. And this product, you can see, it has a kind of CE certification. Yeah, CE certification. If you want to see it clearly, you can go to our homepage, and you can see the detailed certification. And this one, it is a kind of LVG. Yeah. Hello, welcome the friend from MZ. You want to get our product catalog. Okay, my colleague Teresa will send you. Please wait a moment. She is now having dinner, so she will send you later. Yeah, please wait a moment. Thanks for your inquiry. And the next, it has a kind of UN 38.3 test report. The UN 38.3. If the power bank want to take onto the plane directly, you need to pass this kind of safety test report. And next, it is a kind of CE certification for our kids ride-on luggage scooters. Now I will introduce you guys later. For each Airwheel product, we have got the CE, Rose, MSDS. You guys can see this one. It is our kids one, the Rose certification. So for our Airwheel product, we have got the patent. We also have got the certifications. So if you want to become our distributors, or if you want to buy it for your own use, it is welcome. And if you want to know the price, about the shipping cost, about the delivery time, if you want to know about it, you can send it in the chat box, and when I see your comments, I will give you a reply. Now, this is our kind of 20-inch version. Maybe you guys haven't seen how to write on it. I can show you guys again. The left button, it is a kind of speed button. Sorry, I forgot something. That is, I forgot to turn on this kind of suitcase. You guys can see in the backpack, we have a kind of turning on button. This red button, by turning on, by pushing it, now the red light is on. That means this suitcase, it is powered on. I can write on it. Here is a kind of writing mode. And the max loading weight, 120 kilogram. And about the controlling of the handle, about the controlling, you guys can see there are two buttons here, and with these two buttons you can change the directions. You can move forward, you can stop, you can reverse, you can turn around. The right one, it is speed button, it is moving forward button, and the left one, it is a kind of brake button. So the controlling, it is like a kind of electric bike, electric car. And by using them together, at the same time, it is a kind of reverse. You guys can see left, right. The speed, it is adjustable. Now I am writing on it. The left one, stop. The right one, speed. And by using them together, okay. Sorry, please wait a moment. 下面一定会爆音。Oh gosh. Hello, I have come back. Now I will continue to introduce this kind of about the controlling. It is quite easy for you guys to learn. Left button, left button, stop button, brake button, right one, speed button, and by using them together, it is reversing button. And for this kind of suitcase, we are sincerely recruiting distributors. So if you are interested in this kind of idea, you can contact us for more details. Now I will move to another product. It will be a little different from this kind of product. But it is also a 20-inch one. It is also a 20-inch one. You can make some comparison. You guys can see the first difference. The first difference is the front part. For this kind of suitcase, the SE3S, the foldable one, we have a kind of front part. The front part, it is foldable. But for this one, not the pink one, the front part, it didn't have the front part. It is only a kind of 20-inch one. And the footrest, it is on the suitcase. Here is the footrest. So that is the first difference of these two parts of this suitcase. The front part, this one has a kind of foldable part, and for this one, we didn't. The footrest, it is here on the suitcase. And next difference, you guys can see, that is about the handle. You guys can see about the two handles. About this handle, we have kind of 3 buttons in this part. Yes, 3 buttons. But for this one, we only have got 2 buttons, and the height of this part, it is adjustable. The height, it is adjustable by using the locker in this part. But for this kind of suitcase, the height, it is not adjustable. The height, it is fixed. and you can lift them up and down by using the middle button on the handle. That is there another difference. The height of this one, it is fixed, but this one it is adjustable. And about the controlling of the direction, if you want to move forward, you want to stop, if you want to speed up, that is the right button. But right now I haven't turned on the suitcase, so it won't speed up. The right one speed up, left one brake button. Using them together, it is reversing. So the controlling of the handle, the controlling of the direction, it is the same. Hello guys, welcome to our live show. And now I am showing you guys our ride-on luggage scooters. So if you have any other questions about our products, you can send them to me, and I will check your comments and give you reply as soon as possible. Now I am making a kind of comparison of these two kind of 20-inch ride-on luggage scooters. You guys can see about the height of this one. I can adjust it and lock it by the handle, by the locker in this part. But for this one, the height it is fixed. I can ride on it. I can sit on it. It has a kind of mobility seat, and this kind of suitcase, the max loading weight, it is also the same with this one. The max loading weight is 120 kilograms.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hey Teresa, change the video. This one, it is a kind of 20-inch ride-on luggage scooters. About the difference with another one, that is, it hasn't have a front foldable part. The footrest, it is on the suitcase, and the handle, the height of the handle, it is fixed. And about the controlling, right button speed up, right button speed up, left one brake button, and by using them together, it is kind of reverse, and I will show you guys. You want to get the following. Oh, okay. You want to me introduce our company strengths. Okay, I have seen your comments. Thanks for your comments. Our company, we are in China right now, and we are skilled in research and development,
有买家
innovation.
进入直播间了。
Also, we are skilled in manufacturing. And recently, we are located in China. In Changzhou, a city near Shanghai. We are located in Changzhou, a city near Shanghai, and we are skilled in different kind of public transportation aids, like this one, ride-on luggage scooters, also like electric bike, electric folding bike with different models. Also, we are skilled manufacturing like smart helmet. Smart helmet. Also, we are skilled in a kind of electric wheelchairs. But now in the live stream, we cannot show you guys the wheelchairs. If you want to know more details about the wheelchairs, you can send inquiries to us. And also, we have produced different kind of ride-on luggage scooters. You can see. And we accept OEM and ODM. We accept OEM and ODM. If you want to change the logo, change the color, or change kind of function of this kind of suitcase or any other product, you can contact us. Also, we have produced our self-balancing electric scooters. For this with kind of with one wheel or two wheels. You can see the product list, and the products are in the product list. We have kind of 98 products. We have kind of 98 products in the product list. You can browse it, and if you want to know more this kind of products, you can send comments to me. And we also have branch and stock in Belgium. We have branch and stock in Belgium, a European country. So if you guys want to get a or get this kind of
有买家进入直播间。
Hello, you guys.
The behind.
有买家进入直播间了。
Hello, you guys. Hello, you guys.
有买家进。进入直播间了。
Hello, you guys. Hello, you guys.